To turn on a secure folder on the Samsung A37 5G, you'll have to open the system settings, scroll for security and privacy. Right now go below into the more security settings, and here you can find this option called secure folder. So now you will have to open it. If you are using this for the first time, I can just recommend you to read the description, click continue. You will have to grant all of those permissions. And now as you can see, it's gonna start creating that folder. It will take around 30 seconds. Now, when this creation process is finished, you will have to select a password. So for me, I'll just get a simple pattern. We have to input our password twice. Now we can additionally enable that option to reset that screen lock with Samsung account. Very useful if we often forget our passwords. But for me, of course, I'm not gonna forget this one because it's like super simple. Now we have to click next and select the behavior. So what happens when a secure folder is locked? What I can recommend you to close all apps while locked to don't get anything in the background. Now click down and you will be redirected into the secure folder. So now if you want to put here some applications, you will have to just click here and you can just simply download them from the Google Play Store, from the Galaxy Store, or manually select them from the list and click add. And now this application will be here. By clicking on this icon, you can also hide applications, you can add files, you can customize it over here, or for example, you can open its settings if you want to still customize some things.